Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and enjoyed your holidays. Chapter number 6, Indian Government, Constitution and Parliament. The Government of India is also referred to as the Union Government or the Central Government. The Government of India is made up of the executive, legislative and the judiciary branches. The executive branch is headed by the President of India, while the Supreme Court heads the judiciary branch. The legislative branch is made up of two houses, the lower house or the Lok Sabha and the upper house or the Rajya Sabha, headed by the President. India established its own constitution after freedom. It was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. On 26 January 1950, the Constitution came into effect. The Parliament. As per Article 79 of the Constitution of India, the Council of the Parliament of the Union consists of the President and the two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers are required to be members of the Parliament. The President, that is Ramnath Kovind, is the authority who has the executive powers of the central government. The Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers are appointed by the President. Prime Minister and the Cabinet. The Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers are required to be members of the Parliament and are answerable to both the houses. Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is the lower house of the Parliament. The maximum number of members allowed in Lok Sabha is 552. The term of Lok Sabha is 5 years. Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the Parliament. Rajya Sabha has 250 members. It has a term of 6 years.